What's up, sneaker fans? Thanks for tuning into another unboxing and review. Today, we'll be taking a look at a classic white and green Stan Smith with the Gore-tex treatment, except these aren't waterproof. Starting with the packaging, matte white Adidas box with glossy 3-stripe accents. Taking a look at the label, I find that Adidas original shoes run a half size bigger than Nike's, so I went with a size 8 here. And now, getting into the shoe. First impressions, minimal branding and premium materials. Through the whole upper you get this really nice soft white leather. These feel great and look like they have a semi-gloss coating as well. Very subtle branding throughout. On the tongue, instead of a green imprint of Mr. Stan Smith's face, it's a more subtle glossy white. Taking a close look at the tongue, no padding here, just 2 pieces of leather stitched together. With this pair, you get a leather-lined ortholite insole with large Adidas and Goretex Infinium branding. The heel cup is also lined with the off-white leather, and you do get a bit of padding here. Imprinted Infinium logo on the heel, as well as this Goretex Infinium tag. And then our heel accent in that classic green, but without the Adidas trifold logo. This piece of the heel feels like a synthetic and is much tougher than the rest of the upper. A little bit more detail about the Gore-tex part of the shoe that's not waterproof. Now, for most, Gore-tex is synonymous with waterproof, but the company in 2018, looking to expand their product line, created Goretex Infinium. The type used in this pair is specifically Goretex Infinium Thermium. A long name, I know, which you can guess sounds like thermal. This pair includes their lightweight insulation technology. If we take a quick look into the official website, we find that in footwear specifically, this tech is focused around the toe box because based on their research, your toes release the most heat. But as all Gore-tex fabrics are, this is a breathable layer of insulation, which means basically, whatever the conditions, you should be comfortable. As far as the shape of the shoe goes, I'd say they're indistinguishable from regular Stan Smiths. So in that sense, I think Gore-tex did a great job. Honestly, I originally got these because I was under the impression that these were waterproof. However, this is a low top and the tongue isn't gusseted either, so I don't see much benefit in having a waterproof membrane if it had it. I'd have returned them, but I was pleasantly surprised with the quality of materials used and the interesting tech this turned out to include, so I'll be keeping them to test out in the fall. Stitching on the shoe is on point, no loose threads that I can find. On the midsole, we find it in this off-white cream color, which I really like. I think the fact that they use this off-white color instead of white here gives the shoe a bit more dimension, and also ties together nicely the off-white details on the insole and the heel cup. Comfort is what you'd expect from a rubber midsole shoe, not spectacular. Most of the cushioning you're getting is from the insole, but the Stan Smith is a classic silhouette that I think everyone should at least experience once. This Gore-tex model retailed for $120 USD, and that feels like a lot of money for a Stan Smith, but you do get that Gore-tex technology, and you can find this pair on sale right now on Adidas. If Gore-tex treatment isn't your thing, or you're trying to get a pair for the summer that isn't insulated, the original without Gore-tex is also always available and cheaper. You can find a link to both pairs direct from Adidas in the description below. And that about brings us to the end of this review. Thanks so much for watching. Please like this video to support what I'm doing. Subscribe to stay notified on what's coming next. Wear what you like, not just the hype. This has been a More Than Hype unboxing and review.